If you are a new Amazon seller in this time, one of the first challenges you are going to face is figuring out how to find a product that actually sell and keyword that bring buyers to your listing. And when it comes to tools to help with that, two names that come up a lot that are the Helium10 and the SmartScout. But which one should you choose if you are just starting out? Let's break it down in simple terms so it's easy to understand and actionable for beginners. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we make business tools simple and easy so you can spend less time to guessing and more time to growing. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check out the description or the pin comment for the link or the free trial and the special deals for both Helium10 and the SmartScout. Alright, let's start with Helium10 first. It's been around for a long time and has a big reputation in the Amazon seller community. One of the biggest strengths of it is the keyword research. Using tools like Magnet and Cerebro, you can see what customers are actually typing into Amazon search, how often they search for it, and how competitive that keyword is. This is huge for beginners because it saves you from guessing. So you can actually pick the keyword that have a chance to bring traffic to your product. Helium10 also has some other features like product research, listing optimization, alert if your product changes or get a hijacker. So it's like a full toolbox for Amazon sellers. On the other hand, SmartScout is a newer tool, but it's built with simplicity in mind. It's especially good for product research. You can see how products are selling, how much competition there is, and where the opportunities are. For beginners, this is helpful because sometimes having too many features can be overwhelming. SmartScout focuses on giving clear data about product so you can make smart choices quickly without digging through the too many tools or menu. Now the main difference really comes down to depth versus the simplicity. Helium10 gives you more feature, keyword research, alert listing optimization, even tools for email campaign if you want. That's great if you want a complete system and are willing to spend time to learning it. SmartScout is lighter, easier to use, and give the essential information you need to make the product decision fast. So pricing is another factor. Helium10 can be a bit more expensive if you want access to all advanced tools, but it's flexible. You can start with the basic plan and grow as you learn. SmartScout is generally simpler or maybe somewhere cost less for the beginners level plan. So which is helpful if you are on tight budget or just starting your Amazon journey. So what's the verdict? If you are someone who want a complete toolkit or is ready to spend time to learning and you want the plan to grow your Amazon business over the time, then GoHighLevel is likely the better choice for you. But if you are a new seller who wants to quickly research product and make a smarter decision and not get the lost into too many features, then SmartScout might be the easier way to start. The good news is you don't have to commit right away. Both platform offers the free trial or the entry level plan, so you can test them out and see which one feels more natural for your workflow. The most important thing is to start using data to make the decision rather than guessing, because that's how successful Amazon sellers grow faster. If you want to check out Helium10 or SmartScout, then click the link in the description or check the pin comment. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.